welcome back to a brand new video, and I'm really excited about this one. Hope you are too. So today I'm going to try on everything in my summer wardrobe, but firstly I need to kind of switch over to my summer wardrobe. It's still a little bit in spring, it's still a bit kind of all over the place, and I feel like there are some items I need to pull out. I was going to do a little bit of like a vlog style video of me kind of like doing a bit of a switch over, but my microphone's acting up a little bit, so I feel like it's always difficult to do a kind of moving around one with different audios, so I'd rather wait until the sound is better to do that for like my next season one. But I think I'm just going to dig in, pull a few things out. I don't really have tons to add in, but a few things that I took from home, from Ireland when I was there. I grabbed a denim jacket, which is quite essential, I guess, for a summer wardrobe, if that's your vibe. It's not always my vibe, but I do really like this one. I really like the colour of it, and I picked this up in a charity shop in Edinburgh like 5 years ago, and I've kind of barely worn it, but I think, you know, it's a classic piece that's never going to date really, so I don't mind that I only kind of wear it a handful of times each year. But I just thought it'd be nice to add to my wardrobe. I've gotten quite a few pairs of like trousers over the last like year or two in my summer wardrobe, and shorts. So because I'm not always wearing denim, I kind of have the option to go for a denim piece of outerwear, which is nice. I mean, I like a bit of double denim too. Who doesn't? I have this dress that it's been hanging up in here for a while. I haven't reached for it. It hasn't really been hot enough, to be honest. It's one that I've had for the last few years, and I do love to pull this out on a really sunny day. Maybe if we're going to go out for like a coffee or a brunch or something. I love it with just a pair of flats or a pair of heels, even with Converse. I just hope I reach for it more, but I think I'm going to keep it in my wardrobe. I have a couple of purchases that I haven't shared recently, my May and my June one. This is my June one. This I literally bought, I'll share it in another video and tell you the story, but I literally just bought it like straight away at the start of the month, and I've had it 2 days and I've worn it 2 days, so that's how much I love it. Love this injection of colour as well. Yes, I will share more about my May and June purchases in an upcoming video. But for now, let's just try everything on. To be honest, maybe there isn't a lot to switch over, but let's just try everything on and then I'll have a better idea. So let's see how many pieces I can whittle my summer capsule wardrobe down to. It's been so long since I've done one of these like X number of items in my summer capsule wardrobe and did a whole try on. I feel like you guys used to love them, so that's what I'm going to do for you today. I'm going to stop rambling, even though I know you guys said you love my rambly chatty videos like I mentioned in the last one. And equally I love your rambly chatty comments, so it was really nice to hear that feedback from you. So always feel free to leave me the longest comments. I love it's the only place I get to talk with you guys, so always happy to chat down there. Without further ado, let's try on some things, and I'm gonna maybe I'll save it to the very end of the video to see how many items. I mean, it's gonna save it for me, it's probably gonna be in the title of this video. Can I get to 30 items? You already know. I don't know, but we'll see.